Okay, so moving now on to task number 4, where we will be using mail merge. And like I told you previously, we will be using Microsoft Word for this. So it says over here, you are going to produce delivery notes for products from the science stores. Use the file m21delnote.rtf as the master document for the mail merge and the file m21delorders.csv as the data source. So the letter is, I mean, the content of the delivery notes is over here, and the contacts who are supposed to receive it are over here. Replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source files as follows. Okay, so let's first open up this file. Let's go ahead and open up the file, which is over here. So we open it up, and you can see over here you have your content over here. Okay, and now these chevrons, okay, they have to be replaced with the following fields. Okay, with the following fields they need to be replaced. So before we can start replacing it, we need to import this particular file into our Delnote document. So let's go there. Let's go into mailings. Let's go into select recipients. Okay, so use an existing list. We already have a list. We just want to use it. And over here, we go into our folder, which is over here. And over here, we choose the Del orders CSV file. We say open. So now merging has taken place. It has been imported. Okay, the entire worksheet has been imported. And over here, you can see all the fields are there. Okay, all the fields are there. Now what you need to do, I have imported into the wrong place. I have imported into the evidence document, which is completely wrong. Okay, so I'm going to have to go into the next document, and I'm going to have to import it into the Delnote one. So we come into mailings here. We come to select recipients, use an existing list. We come to our folder, the Del orders file. We say open. So now it has been imported. You can see the merge fields are over here. Now you need to match them in the correct places. So let's start doing that. So TTL should be title, initial should be initial. Let's do that. So be very careful with your selection. Do not touch the spaces. TTL, insert merge field, title should be there. Then we select initial, and initial is supposed to come over here. And then LN is for last name. Okay. Then what do we have next? Room is room, building is building, week is week. So let's do that. So here we have room, we carefully selected, do not touch the spaces, room. Then we have building. Then we have, what's the next one we have? So here we have week. Let's carefully select it and say we want the week to be over there. Then what is D-Day? Let's go and check on it. So D-Day is delivery date. PC is product code. So over here we have the product code. Over here we have item. Item is what? Item is product, and quantity is quantity ordered. So product. Over here we have quantity ordered. So over here we are supposed to enter our name, candidate number, and center number. Name, comma, candidate number, comma, center number. That's also done. Okay. Okay, so we didn't touch any of the spacings. We have properly maintained it. Save the master document. So we'll click on save. Then it says display the field codes and print the master document. So over here, you're supposed to take a printout, Control P, choose your printer from over here and click on print. Okay. And then what do we do next? Set an automated filter to select the records with orders to be delivered to the physics departments on Wednesday. So over here, we're supposed to apply a filter. So we're going to come into select recipients. We're going to click on edit recipient list, and we want to apply a filter. So we click on filter over here. And the first thing is the day. Sorry, the first thing is the department. So for department, we want only physics. So is equal to physics. Okay. And the second thing that we need is the delivery day should be Wednesday. So we click on that and we come to delivery day equal to Wednesday. So now we click on OK. And you can see that there are only 3 records for that criteria. So we go ahead and click on OK. Right. So evidence, a screenshot to show the use of an automated selection method. So let's go back again to edit recipient list. Let's click on filter. And let's take a screenshot of this, Windows Shift S. Let's take a clear screenshot of this particular area. Let's go and place it in our evidence document. Let's cancel this first. Okay. Let's let's come to evidence number 10, Control V. We have pasted that. And with that, it says merge and print only the delivery notes with the selected department and day. So now you will have to complete your mail merge. You'll have to, what do you call, merge them. So in mailings, you'll have to come to finish and merge, and you will have to say edit individual documents. Click on this and say you want to merge all of them. So you say okay. So now you can see you have only 3 letters because you did a filtering. I hope you do remember that. And are you required to save this file? Let's check the question paper. It doesn't talk about saving, it only talks about printing. Okay, so you will simply press Control P, okay, and you will print all 3. I'm sorry, you will print all 3 letters. And with that, you come to the end of the mail merge task as well. And then we just have one more remaining, which is the presentation task. Okay, I hope it's going well for you. See you in the next video where we'll be attempting our final task with regard to presentation.